We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned about the different possibility. When we mention MACD doesn't show us a divergence, but the another indicator showing me the divergence. All right, when I'm referring to this move, okay, and that's why I mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here, and this is what we get. All right, now what we need to know that we want to see the continuation for, I mean, we want to see the breakout of the previous top, which is 1.73. That's why if we want to look for trade from here, the best thing is if this one turn to a deeper move. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we move to daily chart, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for this correction. That's why we mentioned if we get any trade setup for buy reversal, we'll take it, and this is what we get. And right now we want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. If we want to look for continuation based on forward chart, the best thing is if we get the correction. That means the deeper correction from here. Okay, because if the price continue as a small correction based on 1 hour chart, as I explained in my last analysis, mostly we have to, I mean, we need to get the bigger correction, because any deeper correction can give us better confirmation for continuation. And right now the only thing is we need to see the breakout of 1.73. Okay, and right now I'm looking at this. We want to see how we can look for trade. All right, but based on forward chart we don't have any trade set up, and buying right now we need to be quite careful, because if we want to look for buying right now, the only thing is having entry above this. Okay, I won't suggest it, depends on the traders. If we want to look for buy, at least we wait this one turn to a deeper correction. How deep it can go if we put our feet from here, I mean based on this move, the first thing is somewhere around 23%, following by 50%. We can expect the price drop to any of this level, 1.58 following by 1.5, and the last one is 1.43. If I want to look for trade, at least I prefer this the price drop. That means it give me correction and the price drop to somewhere around 1.58. Then from there, if I get any reversal for buy, I will take the trade. But right now, if we want to look for buy, we cannot get a really good trade setup, and the only thing is put our entry above the top, which I won't suggest it. And if the price continue from here, the only thing is we want to see the breakout of 1.73. If the price broke as a sharp move, then the next flag we can take the trade. Okay, as long as the price haven't broke 1.73, if we want to look for trade, we prefer this one turn to a deeper move. How deep it can go? At least to any of this level. If we put our FIB here. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is whoever get the trade from within this move, they should book some profit. And in this case, at least move their stop loss somewhere around this, the lowest price of this correction, which is somewhere around 1.48. All right, and whoever get the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.